Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Today we're going to be doing a match dispenser. I picked this up at a antique shop and I thought it was pretty cool. Remember, we're going to be putting a wood stove in the shop, so I'm going to need something to hold matches in. So I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well, let's get a good look at this thing. It's in relatively good shape. You'll see that there's little tabs strategically placed around the entire thing. They're all different sections. You know, it's just like a normal like tin toy would be, or something of that nature. But because I am installing a wood burning stove into my shop this year, I think this is an asset that's going to come in handy in the shop. That way I have a place for my matches, I'm not looking for them, and you know, they'll always be around. So I say we jump right into this little project. I think it's going to be fun. So let's go. Hope you fellas can still see what I'm doing. It's kind of hard to look at this and the camera at the same time. Okay, well that piece came apart nicely. That one's kind of challenging. I'm using the thinnest profile screwdriver I have. Ooh. Ooh. I think I figured it out. There we go. Let me straighten these tabs out right quick. So these are offset, but I still need to keep them semi-straight. There we go. Nice. This little lid came off there. And that's it. She's broken down. I don't want to bend this, so, or bend it out of shape, I should say. Let me straighten up these back tabs. Alright guys, so I had some comments in the last video that of the stripper that I used on the vise. This is it right here. It's just a Clean Strip brand. I prefer Zip Strip, but I can't find Zip Strip in my area for some reason, and when I do, whoo boy, it's expensive. But Zip Strip is a black and white can, and it works really, really well. But this Clean Strip works fantastic as well. Just not as good as the Zip Strip, I think. But I'm just going to put it on liberally. Put it on there with like a wire brush. Just because I forgot to grab my paintbrush. And we'll let that stuff just soak on there and do its thing. I do need some on the sides here, so. Alrighty guys, well, I got all that green and blue paint off there. There's a very hard layer of whatever this white is. I'm going to see if the wire wheel can't take a lot of it off, and hopefully it does. So I say we get set up for that. Alright guys, well we got like 99.9% of the paint off this. I'm going to go over it with a little bit of sandpaper, scuff it up just a little bit, and we'll be ready to prime this stuff up. So I think that's what we're going to do. Alrighty guys, well I had major issues with this paint. I'm not gonna lie, this is 4 times that I repainted this. I'm done with it. I'm just gonna put this back together and we are gonna hope for the best. If it doesn't look perfect, I truly apologize guys, I really do. It's just one of those things, you know. Can't believe how much of a hassle this thing has been. I don't mean to be venting, but wow. I mean, major hassle. for something so small to be such a pain in the butt. It's amazing. All right, so we're going to start putting this back together. It's pretty much self-explanatory. You line the little tabs up and pop them back in the holes. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. This is the little match dispenser. This is going to benefit us this winter in the shop. I am going to be installing a wood burning stove. That's going to be our primary source of heat. So yeah, this is going to be a little asset for the shop. So I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. See you next week with another. Bye.